I did the braid.
All right, here's
Who did the braid?
Jackie did the braid.
Nobody cares.
Wait, where's the
Eat the worm.
Boiled silkworms. This was, they're bugs.
Yeah.
Wait, right here.
You use them to go fishing.
Oh.
Okay, here we go. Wonder what they'll smell like.
Johnny, do you want to eat one?
Oh my
No.
god.
Oh, I gotta see this.
You got it?
Oh, that's gross.
Ew,
Yeah, they use those to go fishing.
Well,
They're mealworms.
They look like they're moving.
oh my god, they stink. Alright, I think I'll lick it. One a worm, a silkworm.
Come eat a worm, Lenny.
Johnny, you want one? Alright, here we go.
Baby's eating a worm.
Oh, look at his eyes. Oh, that one.
Oh, Susie's
That
gonna
one's for
eat
the
that
dog.
one.
They have like little beady eyes. Alright, here we go. Yay. Alright. Give me water, somebody help me. Oh my god, it's so disgusting. No, I thought it would just kind of taste like. What is that? What is that? What's the God, there's like a gravy on it or something. Get, stop!
Steve going into the bathroom with her.